Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform the hard reset of your DOQAUS Life for headphones. So first of all, you will need the long needle, like in my case. The phone needle is actually too short, so let's get something like that. And you have to grab your headphones. Let me just move the phone a little bit. So grab the headphones and you have to locate this headphones jack, and you have to actually put it inside and find the button. Yeah, there's the button inside and you have to just click on it once. After that, the headphones will turn off and our connection will disappear. So let me show you. Click on it once. As you can see, indicator is turned off. Take a look for the phone, it also turned off. It means that we perform the reset by pressing this button once, and this button is actually located close to the LED indicator side. So I mean, you have to put it here, find it right here on this side, not on this side. You know what I mean? Close to the right side of this hole. It's actually here, not like here. And then you just have to remove this previously connection from your phone, then power on your headphones. As you can see, it's turned on, and then just pair it second time. Accept the pairing, and as you can see, that's all. Hope you like it.